How to fix Hotspot grayed out on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve the issue of the mobile hotspot option being unavailable on your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device and tap on Connections. After that, tap on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering and check if the hotspot option is grayed out. From there, go back to Connections and make sure mobile data is turned on. Hotspot cannot function without an active data connection, so this is the first thing to check. At this point, if mobile data is already on, go back to the main settings page and tap on General Management. Then tap Reset and select Reset Network Settings to clear any configuration issues that may be causing the problem. In the next step, your device will restart automatically. Once it boots back up, go back to Mobile Hotspot and Tethering and check if the option is available again. Following this, if it's still grayed out, open Settings and tap on Software Update to check if there's a pending update available. Sometimes a system update resolves issues like this introduced by a previous one. Once done, tap Download and Install if an update is available and wait for it to complete. Finally, if none of these steps work, the hotspot feature may be restricted by your carrier on your current plan. Reach out to them directly to confirm that hotspot is included and activated on your account. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the grayed out hotspot on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.